puta ke tini nyai pagamalu kunyok lo tato mo pwa. Papa paki okay?
Okay.
Yeah, this is today's the fourth day of learning Korean alphabet and today's Korean vowel in usage. Okay?
Okay.
Wait a minute. Good job, Mumu.
Papa.
Good job, Mumu. Papa, like Papa. Like Nyanya.
Nyanya.
Nyanya is auntie.
Papa, Nyanya, Auntie.
Nyanya and Kwakwa.
Pee pee.
Okay? Okay, Todakani. Ni. E. Papa Paki. E.
Pee pee.
Yeah, P. P. Pa E P. Pa E P. P P. Like P P. Like Titi, Mumu.
What pee pee titi?
Yeah. Okay. Lucky Kani. Boom. Is like Namu. Namu. That's her, Boom.
This is
Like the one. Like her.
one.
Boom.
That's a white.
Namu.
Namu.
The.
The.
Her.
The.
Lucky Kani.
Ooh.
Poo poo.
Poo.
Like poo poo. Like sumu, Boom.
Poo sumu.
Sumu is like this. Sumu glove.
Dumugo.
Okay, Toraka. Any? Ooh. Poka ooh. Mama do ooh.
Yeah.
Tutu, Boom, like katu.
Tasu.
Yeah. Tutu. Ooh. Like uti, utu. Utu. Okay, Poka next one. What is next one, Poka? You remember? A. Good job, Boom. A. Like Dede po.
This is pukwa.
De po.
Dede
Po is like brother, sister, younger brother, younger sister. Dede po. Okay. Poka. A. Dede po. Good job. Dede po. Like ini.
That's Didipo is in it.
Yeah. Dede po ini. Like Momo ini. Dede po. Data da. Oh, good job, Poka. This is data da.
This is the more da.
Data da. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one.
More nasi.
Nasi. Where is the Poka nasi? This is nasi.
Yeah.
Namu.
This is
The.
the.
Which one, Pomo?
This is more nasi.
Nasi. Yeah. More nasi. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go next, Pomo.
Ooh.
No. This is A. A. Like.
Didipo. This you.
Yeah. Desipo. Desipo. What is desipo, Pomo? Data da. Yes. Good, Pomo. Data da. That's data da, Pomo. Data da, Poka.
This is see da.
Desipo. Poka te. What desipo?
Da.
Okay. Like.
It's a red. This one is Dipo in there.
Poka te toto.
That's the dog.
Good job.
Say the truth.
Tell it honestly.
Tell honestly.
Honestly. Te toto. Data da. Good job. What is data da? Good job. Why you remember data da?
Yeah.
Okay. Te toraka. Okay. Toraka is
Oh.
O. Poka O.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. O. Like O. Same like O. Yeah.
This is in my hand. Oh.
Yeah. O is like Momo.
Momo. Where's Momo?
Yeah. Like Momo and like Doku O.
There. This is Momo. This is.
Doku O. Pomo.
Daddy, nasa down.
Poka like Doku O. Te poka ki Momo.
Momo. This is da.
Da again, Pukwa. Pukwa, Momo.
Mama. Gato.
Kadu, Koti, Pumu.
Gatri. Gatri.
This is
Da.
Akiso, this is
Akito.
A-O-O.
A-O-O.
Da-O-Do.
Da-O-Do.
Da-O-Do. Da-da-da, Pukwa. Do-ko-o.
Deko-O.
Ma-o-mo.
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 Mo-mo.
Mo-Mo.
Do-ko-o.
Deko-O.
Good job, do-ko-o. Okay, let's go next one, the last one, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Pumu, O.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no.
O, Pukwa, O.
Oh, no.
O is no. Good job, Pumu.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's me. No.
Pukwa, no.
Nasi.
Pukwa, no.
No.
Like,
This is nasi.
Pumu, Jojo.
Jojo.
Jojo is like brother.
Jojo
Okay.
is brother.
No is sister, elder sister, okay?
Sister and brother.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Ah, Papa.
This is Papa.
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 Papa is daddy, okay?
This is Papa, Daddy, you.
Mm-hmm. Nyanya.
Nyanya.
What E? E is like pee.
What this is?
One by one, Pumu. Look at one by one. Pee.
Pee.
Pee is like grandma.
Grandma.
Titi.
Titi.
is like uncle.
Uncle.
Okay, what next one, Pukwa? Namu.
Namu.
Okay, de, Pukwa.
The.
De is one.
There's one.
Her.
There's a.
Yeah.
There is one.
There is one. What's her?
Sir.
What's her?
Sir.
Sir is like sweet.
Sweet.
Okay, next one is
Ooh.
Good job. Poo.
Poo.
Like grandpa.
Grandpa.
Sumu.
Sumu.
Sumu is like your finger, okay?
This is the finger.
Sumu, Pumu.
Sumu.
Okay. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh is like tutu.
Tutu.
Utu.
Usu.
Utu is like okay. A.
A.
Pukwa A.
A.
De po.
Daddy.
A ni.
This is the dipple in there.
A. Okay, next one is A.
A.
Dad, super claps your hand. Okay. De toto. De toto. O. O is like momo. Doko O. Doko is an owl. And owl. No. O. Jojo. Jojo is like no is like sister, bigger sister. That's why Jojo is big brother.
Big brother.
Okay, good job. Finish, okay?
Okay.
A,
A.
E,
E.
U,
U.
U, E,
A.
O,
O.
O.
This. D-R-E. What's this? D-R-E-R-R. Wrong. What's this? No, I gotta go get cookies.